Welcome to Sparky TV. This is Patrick from Mister Sparky. I have a few questions for you. When you flip a switch, what happens? A light comes on. When you open your fridge, what do you find? Cold food. And when you turn down your thermostat, what happens? Your air conditioner kicks on. All of these things and many more are thanks to electricity. When you think about it, electricity affects every aspect of your life. Yet often, you take it for granted until it isn't working properly, especially when it's not working in your home. Your dependence on electricity is a huge reason why you should pay attention to any irregularities that you may have noticed in the past or are experiencing now and have ignored. They can be early signs of a potentially bigger problem. Here are a few of the most common electrical issues experienced by homeowners and what typically causes them. Light bulbs burning out frequently. It could be more than just overuse. You may have a loose connection in the socket or circuit, and recessed lights that go out may do so because they're too hot because of nearby insulation. If operating properly, recessed lights are designed to shut themselves off in those cases so as not to create a fire hazard. Flickering and dimming lights. This could be a sign of a poor connection in your circuit and can lead to eventual arcing. Dead outlets. A poor connection could be the culprit again, or a breaker may have tripped to prevent an excessive heat buildup that could result in the outlet or wiring melting. Warm switches and fixtures. This is definitely a safety concern and should be addressed immediately. Tripping breakers. Usually a sign that a circuit is drawing too much electricity and you're experiencing an overload. If this happens constantly, it is definitely a potential fire risk. You should add a circuit or even consider upgrading your electrical service. These are just a few of the many electrical issues that can be seen in a home. And it should also be pointed out that these may not be the exact reasons why these problems are occurring. There may be a host of others that we haven't discussed. Often, it's not a large issue you're dealing with, but it's really not worth gambling with your health and safety. You don't want to be one of the thousands of people who experience a home fire due to an ignored electrical problem. That's why it's important to give your home a complete safety inspection at least once a year. Look in your panel for burning or corrosion, tighten the breakers, and test its load and voltage with a voltage meter. Also, evaluate your outlets with a ground fault circuit interrupter device. Look over any exposed wiring in your attic, basement, and crawl space, and examine your main disconnect box to see if it's working properly. If you're not certain how to do these things, don't have the right tools, or would just like a second opinion, feel free to give us a call. You can always count on us for no malarkey service, guaranteeing you that we're on time, you'll see, or the repair is free. This is Patrick from Mister Sparky and Sparky TV. Until next time, be safe out there.